In this video, I'm going to be explaining 3 very simple tips that you can follow to make sure you don't get burnt out. With the new year upon us, everyone's ramped up with all these new goals and resolutions. So inevitably, this is going to cause a lot of stress and burnout for a lot of people. As someone who has been very burnt out and very stressed about achieving all the goals that they set out for themselves, on the way I've learned a lot of tips and tricks on how to avoid burnout and lower your stress while also achieving all your goals. Okay, tip number 1, don't grind. Kind of weird advice, right? Because everyone tells you to grind and hustle and work until you achieve all your goals, but I can reasonably tell you that that is not going to help you. I mean, sure, if you work every waking hour of your life, you probably will achieve your goals, but the cost of that is far greater than the goal itself. So when I say don't grind, what I really want to say is that you take a lot of time to relax and take time for yourself. Kind of think of yourself as like a rechargeable battery. When you're working, you're spending the energy in that battery, but if you just keep working, then you never charge it up. So you need to be serious about the time that you take off and time to relax. Whether that's playing video games, working out, cooking, whatever you like doing, whatever makes you happy and relaxed and chill, then you should prioritize doing that. Sure, you can wake up and then work until you go to bed for a day, but if you do that on Monday and then Tuesday and Wednesday, it feels horrible. You need to make sure you have time in your day and in your schedule to just do nothing or just do things that make you happy that have no relation to your goals whatsoever. Trust me, this is honestly the biggest tip I can give you. Also, make sure you get your 8 hours of sleep. That is also very important. Okay, simple tip number 2 is that you need to create a schedule and stick to it. At first, it might be easy to kind of maybe keep like a list of things to do or just keep them in your head, but eventually that's going to catch up to you and you're going to get really stressed and you're going to get really burnt out because this list is just piled on top of you at all times. Literally right now, open your calendar app and start planning what you're going to do every single day. You should know what you're going to do on Monday and what you're going to do on Wednesday and what you're going to do on the weekend. So if we use YouTube as an example, say you plan your videos on Mondays and Tuesdays, and then you film and edit them on like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday you just take off. What I'm saying is basically you should know that every Monday and Tuesday you're going to be planning videos. Every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you're going to be editing videos. Don't like switch it up and change it up. You need to like create and build the schedule that works for you. Because if it's all willy-nilly, then you're gonna get stressed on the weeks that are like super crazy. I can honestly make an entire video about just schedules alone, but I'm just gonna give you a few quick tips on that. 1, don't overcommit. If normally you can edit a video in one day, and for whatever reason, you actually have to edit 2 videos on the day, if you're saying the words, I think I could get these 2 videos done, then just don't do it. The reason you have a schedule is to relieve stress, not add to it. Your to-do list in a day should feel easy to accomplish. You shouldn't wake up and think, oh, I gotta film 3 videos, or oh, I gotta edit 10 videos today. 2, when you're making your schedule, make sure you have multiple days to do each thing. So don't make it so you have to plan a video on Monday or you're gonna be behind. Give it like Monday to Tuesday or Monday to Wednesday, because eventually something's gonna come up on Monday and you won't have time to plan the video. So if that happens, you have Tuesday to do it or Wednesday to do it or whatever you make your schedule. Basically, just keep your schedule light and overestimate the time it takes to do things. Okay, and the third and final tip I have for you is variety. This kind of relates to the schedule tip, but I kind of want to go more in depth with this. See, if you wake up and work until you go to bed, there is no variety in your day and it really feels like you're working for like 16 hours. So to break up your day, you should be adding variety. Your day shouldn't be composed of just sitting at a computer staring at a screen all day. Instead, it could be different types of work. So maybe you're planning for a couple hours here, and then you go to the gym for an hour, then you edit this video here, and then for 1 or 2 hours, maybe you start cooking or playing video games or something like that. Do not have like one activity for the majority of the day. Pick 3, 4, 5 activities for your entire day so it doesn't feel like you're doing one thing for the entire day. Honestly, I've had weeks where I've just waking up, worked until I gone to bed, and then just repeated the entire process all day. And it is horrible. You don't feel like getting up because you just feel like you have to grind all day until you go to bed. You become way less productive. Your hips start hurting from just sitting all day. Trust me, having variety in your day will make it feel like your work is less of a grind and easier to accomplish. All right, guys, this is my 3 tips for you. If you have anything that you personally do that helps you kind of avoid burnout, let me know in the comments because I'm really interested to know. Also, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing because I post stuff like this every single Wednesday. And yeah, see ya.